we're talking about the artwork at the new Rio Grande Candelaria roundabout, but we are not going to be impeding traffic by gathering at the actual roundabout, so I'm glad that everybody made it here to the Rio Grande Nature Center Education Building. The Art Selection Committee received 25 proposals submitted by artists from around New Mexico to review and evaluate for the sculpture that is now in the roundabout. It was quite a bit of a process because, as neighbors here know, that construction of that project included a lot of infrastructure improvements, which included water, irrigation, electrical, all kinds of utilities had to be moved. And we worked with the DMD staff on that process to make sure that we could situate a piece of public art in the roundabout that would not sit on top of any of those utilities, because if anything ever had to be changed, we didn't want to have to take the artwork down. So if anybody's ever wondering why the sculpture sits a little off center, it's because it doesn't sit on top of any utilities. So
I started out as a painter and really just kind of started to feel like some of my designs should become something that you can touch. And so I started to work with metal, and I found the right path, and this is probably the pinnacle of where I've really come, so I'm happy with the way my pieces are coming out. I kind of wanted to focus on the area, look at it, and see maybe I can create something that is harmonious with the land and the community. I'm from Albuquerque, and I've seen a lot of the birds migrating, the geese and the cranes coming in for a landing. And I originally I made a small piece that was a crane standing up, kind of stagnant, beautiful, but I felt like it needed flight. It needed to be coming in for a landing, and so that's really what I thought is if I could capture the gliding of a bird coming in for a landing into the Rio Grande. And so that was really it, just the Bosque, the river, the whole area. I just felt like this is perfect. It just needs to be coming in and point toward the river so people know where to go. When the pandemic came, my art gallery was closed, which is in Taos, and a lot of the art shows I was doing, I couldn't go to those anymore. So I thought, what other avenue can I get out there and kind of show my stuff? I looked online, I found the Albuquerque Public Art webpage, and I went, I'm going to try this. And I think I applied for maybe about 4 or 5 different projects, and I ended up getting, I think, 4 or 5 of them. So it was really great. And that really just inspired me. I thought, you know what, I can go bigger, I can kind of get more creative and make it, the pieces adapt to the area where they're going to be installed. I'm really happy and really honored to be able to have a piece like this up and have people enjoy it.